Okay, let us solve this simple question. We are asked to find the minimum value of this function. Okay, so solution, the first thing is to find our critical point. And I told that at critical point, the first derivative must be equal to 0. So they gave us that y is equal to 1 over 3 x raised to power 3 plus 1 over 2 x squared minus 2x. So dy dx will give us, multiply by the power, remove her from the power. That is 3 multiplied by 1 over 3x squared plus 2 multiplied by 1 over 2x raised to power 1. Or you can say 3 minus 1 if you want. You can say 2 minus 1. Then this one is just minus 2. So this take care of this. I'm having x raised to power 2. This take care of this. I'm having plus x minus 2. Now to solve this, to know the one that will give us minimum and maximum value. So this will be equal to 0. Okay, like I told you that what? That the first derivative must be equal to 0 for it to be a minimum or maximum point. So let us now solve. This is our x and our x. Here should be 2 and minus 1. To check if it is correct, we will now have that this time this will give you minus x. This time this will give you plus 2x. And both of them is giving me x, which is s in the middle, so it's correct. So my answer becomes x plus 2 and s minus 1 is equal to 0. So when the product of two things is 0, automatically one of them is 0. So s plus 2 is equal to 0 or s minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore s is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to what? 1. So between these two, we don't know the one that will give us minimum or maximum value. So how do we do it? We test it. Testing it is to find the second derivative. So the second derivative is what? The squared y over the x squared is equal to differentiate this one that we have got. This is the y dx. So to differentiate this one, I'm going to have 2x plus 1. Differentiation of this is 2x. Differentiation of this is 1. So let us check the one that will give us minimum or maximum value. Now, at x being equal to minus 2, anywhere we see this, we put minus 2. So this is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 1, which is what? Minus 4 plus 1, which is what? Minus 3. And minus 3 is less than 0. And I told that less than is giving us maximum point. So the maximum point is what? X being equal to minus 2. So let's check the other one. If x is equal to what? 1 now, I'm going to have that the squared y over the x squared is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1, which is what? 2 plus 1, which is getting 3. And 3 is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means what? This one means maximum point. This one means minimum. And we're asked to find the minimum value, not the minimum point. So we'll tell them that the minimum point is equal to what? X equal to 1. So that's my minimum point. So the minimum value is simply to carry that your minimum point and substitute in the question to get the minimum value. So to get our minimum value, we say that y will now be equal to what? 1 over 3 into what? 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 over 2 into 1 squared minus 2 into 1. So which is what? 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 minus 2. So the LCM here is 6. 2 plus 3 minus 12. So to give us 2 plus 3 is giving us 5. 5 minus 12 give us minus 7. Minus 7 over 6. So minus 7 over 6 is our minimum value, while x equal to 1 is our minimum point. So know the difference between point and value, please. They will ask you in exam. Don't get confused. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye.